Hey Amy, I was trying to write this out on paper or do something along that nature, but I think the easiest way might be for just to talk through this. I'm gonna have to type out these answers because I'm not gonna use my pen that records with me. So bear with me. It might take me a little bit to type some of this out, but I think it'll be easier if I just walk you through this. So I'm gonna read this problem once. It says in the 2009 and 2010 school year, in a country A, whatever that country is, there are 106,000 foreign students from country B. This number is 22% more than the number of students from country C. So that's what I really want to focus on, is where it says the amount from country B is 22% more than the amount from country C. So I'm going to write that out. So now we need to ask ourselves, we need to assign a variable to this. What is it asking us to find? It asks us to find how many foreign students were from country C. So what we're going to do is we're going to say let x equal the number of students from country C. And now I'm really going to try to translate this. It says the amount from country B is, so from country B, is means equals to 22% more than the amount from country C. So it's whatever the amount from country C is. I can't spell amount, apparently. Amount from country C. And then plus, it's going to be 22% more, so 22% more than that. So take a look at this. We know that the amount in country B is 22% more. So you take the amount and you add 22% of that. So it's 22% more than the amount of country C. So you can see right now the number of students from country C, that's what we let x equal. So we're going to put an x in here, and we're going to put an x in here as well. And it tells us that the number of students from country B is 106,000. So we're going to start putting some numbers in here. So it's going to be 106,000 is equal to, right? Because that's the number in country B. We don't know the amount of students from country C, so we call that value x. I'm going to do this in the equation editor. Give me just a second. So it's going to be 106,000 is equal to, what's the amount from country C? We said that value is x, right? Plus, and now let's take a look at this, 22% of the amount in country C. How do we do 22% in a decimal? We're going to write this as 0.22. You divide that by 100. And then the amount in country C, that is also the value of x. So you see I took these words, the amount in country B, that was 106,000 given to us in the problem, is equal to the amount in country C is x, and then 22% of that amount is 0.22x. So now we're going to combine our like terms here, because so that's the tough part, getting this from these words up here into something that looks like a kind of a mathy equation, and then substituting some variables and numbers in there. And now to solve this, we are going to combine our like terms. We have 1x plus 0.22x, so it's going to be 106,000. That right-hand side stays the same, and we're going to have 1.22x because we combine these like terms over here. And then now I'm going to divide both sides by 1.22. So we divide by 1.22. And when I do that in the calculator, 106,000 divided by 1.22 is going to give us this number right here. We're going to get x is equal to, when I divide both sides by 1.22, I get 86885.2459. And then it says round to the nearest thousand. So we're going to go to the thousand place. That's this one right here. Look at the number to the right of it. Is it 5 or higher? Yes, it is. So when we round this answer, rounded, it is going to be x equals, this becomes 87000. And you can see that that's the number we had up there. I hope this helps. Again, if you're still stuck on this, I can show you where there's some more examples of these in the notes. I think it's in section 1.5. We do some similar ones to this. But again, I hope this helps. Let me know.